Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 76 of building the Ecto-1. That's what we're building. It's the Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters. This is a quick build episode, so this is the one where we're going to have a look at the magazine as well. What we're doing is what we did a few issues back. We're fitting the inner decorative piece to the other wing that we're going to fit next time, I believe. So that just pops on that way round like so, and there are 3 screws to hold it in place. Let's get those done. 1, 2 and 3 screws, 1 spare for the spares pile, and 3 screws to hold this in place. I do like the little decorative edge. I wouldn't have missed it if it wasn't there, but now I know it's there. It just fits, it works, it adds that little touch just to the edge. Obviously from the outside is only just visible, but it is definitely there. So there we have the 3 screws holding that in place. I'll go back and tighten them all up. That one's not in very well at all, but yeah, it just adds that little shiny something just to the edge there. So I'll finish that off. I shall come back and show you the magazine. So here we have volume 1 of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 construction guide and information magazine. Obviously we're going through that. This is also finally branded Fanhome instead of Eagle Moss. So I think they reprinted or at least continued on. So we did that. We've done that. Next we're going to be doing that, which is the same again, although with the front grille piece I think as well. And then finally this month the windscreen gets fitted. So the build instructions you'll have seen half of already, but we'll see about the rest of it as the time goes by. We'll do that, and then we'll do that. Oh, come on. There we go. Then we can look at some models, actual models from the filming. Good stuff. I'm not going to read the words, but you can read them, or you can just look at the pictures. And the costume as well, obviously. Jumpsuits, quite iconic. The Washington Square Ghost. Again, not one that springs to mind, but I'm sure it's in there somewhere. Leading lights, yeah, but lights. The lighting technician, Michael J. Schwartz. Good stuff. Ecto 101. What we're looking at there, Eugene Levy. It's a name that I'm familiar with, but I couldn't place it. And obviously some more quotes from that as well. Next time, issue 22. It looks like a door. Don't know what that is. That's probably the window for the door. Yeah, it's the same shape. And that's probably something to do with the door as well. Good stuff. I'm looking forward to that. I like when doors come together, although it gets a little bit complicated and difficult to film. So we'll see how we get on. And they haven't shown the outlines of these bits this time either. But there we go. That's it. That's it. I've done the build, so I'm used to doing the magazine first. That was the build. I shall see you next time for fitting the wing, and we're going on from there. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.